Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable TikTok pixel on WordPress, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable the TikTok pixel on your WordPress site, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section from the left-hand menu. Select installed plugins to view all the plugins active on your site. Look for the TikTok pixel plugin in the list. Once you find it, click on the deactivate link beneath the plugin name. This action will disable the TikTok pixel from collecting data on your site. If you want to remove the plugin entirely, click on delete after deactivating it. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure it is completely removed. Next, check the themes section under the appearance menu. If your theme includes custom scripts for the TikTok pixel, you will need to remove that code. Click on Theme Editor to access your theme files. Locate the header.php file in the right-hand sidebar. Click on it to open and edit the file. Scroll through the code and locate any snippet related to the TikTok pixel. Delete that portion of code carefully. After making the changes, click on Update File to save them. Finally, clear your website cache if you are using a caching plugin. This ensures that all changes take effect immediately. You have successfully disabled the TikTok pixel on your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.